Alright guys, so after I did the smoke test, I looked under the into the grill, and there's this as you can see right here, this open hose right here. Where does it go to? That's where all the smoke was coming out from. See the little hose right there? I guess something came off and it must have dropped off and then left that open. I know that it goes from this hose right here. It goes down there. So this hose was open the whole time. Alright, so this is what I found inside the bumper right here. This little cap right here. So I'm assuming this must be the little cap that capped off that pipe right there. It got brittle and then broke off, and that caused a major air leak. The plan is to probably buy a new cap it off, do another smoke test, making sure nothing's leaking over here, and then I'm gonna put back on the air intakes just to start the car and see if that leak was the main issue why it was bogging. So I'm gonna go buy a new cap and cap it off again and see what happens. All right. Alright guys, welcome back to part 2, and today what I did was I capped off the exposed hose. Went to Home Depot this morning and got those little cap for the for plastic PCV tubes, and went ahead and capped it off and did a smoke test on it, and so far there is no more smoke leak around the engine bay. So hopefully that solves the issue of a boost leak. So right now I'm gonna put everything back together again. I'm gonna start the car and see how it starts up. Fingers crossed, hopefully that's it. Moment of truth.